fast beneath the sunlight, trees swaying left and right, paths that weave through silence, benches lined with peace. In the open air we wander, find a calm release. Stands begin to rumble, fans begin to cheer, footsteps on gravel, laughter drawing near. Children chase the echoes, kites above the trees. In the rhythm of the meadow, I let my spirit breathe. We glide above the treetops, green beneath our wings. Every twist and spiral, nature softly sings. From the field to the fountain, we dance and freely roam. In the heart of the garden, this drone has found a home. Whispers through the branches, secrets in the shade, where playgrounds meet the sunrise, memories are made. Echoes of the chanting, moments bold and bright. We're watchers of the greenery, soaring into light. From goalposts to gazebos, scenes both wild and mild. A canvas made of clover, of wonder growing wild. Every shadow shelters peace, each breeze another song. We capture living stories as the drone moves on. We glide above the treetops, green beneath our wings. Every twist and spiral, nature softly sings. From the field to the fountain, we dance and freely roam. In the heart of the garden, this drone has found a home.
Uncertainties and fire. Every step climbed higher and higher. No shadow long enough to stay. No quiet voice to lead astray. I thought the sky belonged to me, a simple truth I couldn't see. Then and now, the distance shows answers came too fast. Every moment meant to last. I carved my name in steady stone, believing I could stand alone. But time moves slow and time moves deep. It gathers truths we try to keep. The things we lose, the things we find, redraw the borders of the mind. Then and now, the road is wide. Different stars still guide the stride. Then and now, I finally see the change was always part of me. Or a flash. The past still breathes inside my chest, not as a ghost, but as a guess. Every dream that once was loud now speaks softer yet more proud. The stories stay, shaped by night and brighter days. Then and now, the truth somehow is who I was and who I am now. Then and same horizon, different view. Different view.
The breeze is softly calling, the field begins to glow. Footsteps trace the pathways where quiet moments flow. Leaves are gently dancing, the sky is painted white. We float above the silence where open worlds reside. Echoes rise from benches, voices blend with cheer. Bikes and joggers passing, the morning drawing near. Sunlight warms the hillside, the meadow starts to play. With every gentle motion, we drift and drift away. We soar across the open, where the colors breathe and shine. In every loop and spiral, the rhythm feels divine. From the pitch to the pavilion, through branches bending low, this drone becomes a whisper in nature's steady flow. In the hedges, songs beneath the pine, stories told in footsteps, the moment's clear design. In fields where dreams awaken and joy begins to rise, we're gliding over over memories beneath the endless skies. By fountains and by footpaths, the day unfolds in light. Children's shouts and banners in stadiums so bright. Each turn a living painting, each frame a world anew. We gather all these moments from this timeless point of view. We soar across the open, where the colors breathe and shine. In every loop and spiral, the rhythm feels divine. From the pitch to the pavilion, through branches bending low, this drone becomes a whisper in nature's steady flow.